Alright guys, today I am doing a review of this Nabati dairy-free blueberry cheesecake. And this one here, it's vegan, as you can see, gluten-free. It was at a local health store, and check this out. That's French, this way. Right there. Soy-free, gluten-free, egg-free, made in Canada. Let's open this up. Oh, before I do that, if you guys want to read the ingredients, pause the video. It's got dates, cashews. So that this base here is cashews. So I did a review of another one. I think their base was coconut cream. So let's open this up now. All right, so I opened it up. Look how small this is. Okay, I want to give you guys a. Here's my fork. Here, so if you look at it, it's not even 1 fork length in size. It is tiny. It's only 200 grams. And this was, I would say, more expensive than the one I did before, the key lime pie. The key lime pie one was cheaper than this one, and it was bigger, way bigger, if you saw that one. So let's do a quick taste test. We don't know until we taste it, so. Ooh. All right. So there we go. Wow. You can definitely taste the cashews in this. It comes through really good. I don't get a lot of the blueberry taste, but definitely the cashews come through. It's good. It's good. It's not sweet. If I had to compare this one versus the Dale one, the Dale one was good. This one is more unique in the taste that you can actually taste the cashews. So price-wise and everything else, I would prefer the other one, but this one is good too. But if you compare it to price, this is more expensive, and you just don't get as much as the other one. So, anyways, guys, stay tuned. The crust is pretty good. It's like a cookie type of crust. Other than that, it's not bad. If you have any questions, comments, post more, subscribe to the channel.